I want to show you getting into a homework assignment and kind of using the interaction there. So here I am in week 1, and I'm just going to go down to, I think, section 1.3. So when I click on this link, it's actually going to take me to Pearson, and it's going to take me to just a list of the questions. So here we can see there's 17 questions listed here. I like to start with number 1 usually, but I'm going to jump in the middle. Okay, so here's a question. Question's up here. Here's a spot to put in my answer. When I click on this answer, it actually brings up this math palette. Later in the course, sometimes you'll need to use that, like we use these 2 symbols, an and or negation. But those are just symbols you can use when you need them. Here is where I'll type in my answer. If I put in an answer and it's incorrect, it'll tell me and maybe give me a hint. If I'm totally stuck, I can click on this thing that looks like a, nope, sorry, not that menu. Not that menu. Oh, right here, get more help. Sorry, they just changed this over the summer and I'm still getting used to it myself. But get more help. Help me solve this. We'll walk you through this exact problem and then give you a new one. View an example. We'll show you a problem really similar to this one that you can read through. Textbook will open the textbook section. So this is 1.3 and take you just to 1.3. You won't be needing StatCrunch in here. Ask My Instructor is really helpful. It emails me a copy of the question you're currently looking at, because then I can reply and tell you how I would do it or give you some hints. And then print is where you can print the assignment if you desire. So if you do this problem too many times and you get it wrong, notice it changed to final check and then it gave me the answer. Now I have this marked wrong. If I want to get it right, I can redo it. Notice I've got a different question. Oops, don't need the math palette that big. And this should be, let's see, 2 more cents. Should only change this by, I shouldn't change it at all. Okay, so then if you get it right the second time, then you got it marked right, and I now have one of these check marks with a green check mark. So give enough time and effort, you can get it 100% on your homework all the time, which is great. If you have questions or need help, again, you can email me directly. You can click on that Ask My Instructor button on the question, but that's kind of what the homework looks like.